1 package of our puff pastry. I'm coming in with some cooked ground beef. Now I did just season this with some salt and pepper. Now I'm coming in with my medium cheddar slices. We're just gonna place slices along our ground beef. Now I have some fully cooked traditional bacon. And these are just already in slices, and you can make your own bacon or you can just use the fully cooked just like me. We're just placing these all along. I'm using 6 slices of this fully cooked bacon.
Yum.
Now I've got my dill pickle sandwich stuffers. And I am just gonna pull these out. Look at these beautiful long flat slices. And we're just gonna line our bacon here with some of these gorgeous pickles. Doesn't that look fantastic? Ooh, and the oven is ready just in time. Now I'm coming in with my Simply ketchup with no artificial flavors. And we are just gonna go ahead and jizzle this across in a nice design. And a little bit of our plain French mustard. Of course, use whatever mustard you like. I just like the plain yellow. All right, we're gonna start crossing over our pieces of puff pastry that we cut there. I don't think I did mine in an even number, but it's not gonna be a problem. We're gonna be able to just tuck and roll. Just roll brand puff pastry. It's so flexible. There's so much you can do with it. And this is such an easy, delicious, yummy way, a beautiful presentation. I think this is gonna be so fun for your guests. If you wanna make sort of a fancy lunch that isn't really fancy, but it has kind of a fancy packaging. This is just so pretty, so cute. I think everyone is going to love it. Alrighty, we've just got some egg wash here. I'm gonna brush this all along our puff pastry so it gets nice and beautifully golden. And y'all, look at this. This is perfect game day meal. The Super Bowl is tomorrow. March Madness is coming up. This is such a fun, easy way to serve your family. I mean, actually, I think like a summer barbecue too. Like this is a great barbecue dish to have at the cookout, you know, maybe not a barbecue with like smoked meats, like that style, but the summer cookout, woo, can't go wrong. I am just gonna lift her up here. 1, 2, 3. Come on in with the bacon sheet, Marty. Perfect.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work, y'all. Okay, I am gonna put this into my oven for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, we had her in the oven for just 16 minutes. Now I'm gonna top with a little bit of shredded lettuce, and I think you guys can kind of see where we're going with this. It is all in one. We've got that ground beef in there, some of that yummy, yummy cheddar. Mo cheddar, mo better. We've got our bacon and our pickles. Now I'm just gonna put some red onion on here. Our red onion, it kind of had this interesting pattern, so it didn't have too many like small rings, but that's okay. Look at that, perfect, beautiful. And we've just got some beautiful grape tomatoes here, literally beautiful. Marty was like, look how good looking these grape tomatoes are. And as he was cutting them, they're just like such a beautiful color red. We're eating the rainbow today, everyone. All right, we're gonna finish this up with just one more thing, some Thousand Island dressing. Y'all, this is the perfect thing to eat for game day or anytime you wanna have an elevated, classic American dish with your family. All right, let's cut in here and get a piece of this. All right, I'm just gonna come in right here. Easy as pie to slice into. Look at that. The bacon, the ground beef, our cheese. Delicious, y'all. Our all-American style beef Wellington. This is perfect for game day. Y'all gotta try it.